I'm Jerome Drexler with Spire Architecture. I think the responsibility of an architect and an architect builder is immense. Whether you know it or you don't know it, you're creating a home that affects the way people look at themselves, look at the world around them, look at the weather over time. So part of the process, you have to be predictive. You have to predict how someone's going to live in this building. And based on that prediction, you have to make assumptions. So you assume certain things from room placements, adjacencies, access, all those things. And then you have to make it flexible enough to make sure your prediction is encompassing for how people live. So age and place, children, animals, pets, all those things affect the way you design a building. And I think it's paramount that we realize the importance of that, and then we come back and analyze the buildings after they're done, so that you stand back and you really study your predictions. Do they live in the building like you assume they would? Were your assumptions right or wrong? Has it been used in a way that you couldn't predict? All those things affect and inspire me to constantly push architecture and the possibilities, because I truly believe, I don't believe architecture can fix everything. I think it can inspire everything. I think the way you look at the world around you can change when you enter and occupy a building that was built based on meaning, like high meaning. And like I said earlier, there is something amazing when you come up with a concept and then the building, as you're designing, starts answering the questions. Things line up, you know where they go. It's almost, it is almost sort of computerized, just based on the strong principles that you place within the sort of meaning, underlying meaning of a project. So it's really nice to show up to a project like this, staring at the study model that was my development model. It's not exactly like the house is built, but I do remember sort of making the decisions based on my assumptions and the influence of the client to make sure I lock in the building those things that are most meaningful to the client. And then you get to come here and analyze, observe, talk to the clients, and realize those things you assumed were and how they worked based on how they've occupied the building for 17 years now.